that the devil is attacking. I need to know that I'm not the only one praying. I need to know that I'm not the only one getting an answer from God.
That's right.
And so he says, tell them and encourage them.
Yeah.
Tell them don't give up. Tell them don't faint.
Yeah.
Tell them to keep praying constantly.
Yes.
Because prayer works.
Oh, yes.
Because prayer works.
Yes.
Because prayer works.
Yes.
I'm so happy today
My God.
that God has on his agenda,
Yes.
on his calendar,
Yes.
he has it written down, your name,
Yes,
Lord.
and he has a supernatural deliverance
Yes.
for you.
Yes.
He's not going to get confused. He's not going to give it to somebody else.
All right.
He's not going to forget that he promised it to you.
Come on now.
If you would just pray for 21 days,
My God.
if you would just press in,
Amen.
if you would just believe him, if you would study your devotionals and you do the things that we have given you to do,
Amen.
Yes.
you never know when it's coming. They might be showing up at the door to take your
Yes,
house.
Lord.
My God.
And here comes a supernatural.
Yes.
They might have the pink
Yes.
slip written out with your name on it. And here comes a supernatural deliverance. The doctor might have the report that says it's all over. And here comes a supernatural deliverance. God has given us a word today. And it is a good word. He's given us a promise that basically is saying that it will happen. That there is going to be a performance of his word in this house this year. Within 21 days, we will see God move mightily.
Yes.
Individually and corporately in this house.
Yes.
Because he has declared
Yes.
a supernatural deliverance for us. Lift your hands.